Morning guys, it is 8 o'clock in the morning, January 17th, 2021. So we woke up to this view and Sonia is still on the bed, as you can see. But I woke her up because I had to. I couldn't resist her showing this view in the morning. Who wouldn't want to wake up at this view, right? And it's cold outside, freezing, and look at this door. It's all moist. It's all foggy from the inside.
Now please prepare some tea for me.
Oh, look who's demanding.
We are having croissant for breakfast
And tea.
and with some Indian masala tea. Oh, who baked these cookies?
Well, you want to praise yourself, right?
Yes, guys, I've put out a IGTV video sharing with you how I prepared these lovely triple colored cookies. Almost triple colored. So please check that out.
Alright guys, we are heading out to explore the nature. Are
Yes. We're doing a nature walk.
Yeah.
So this was one of the walks that these guys get away.
Yeah, so apparently
No.
they,
Don't show.
they
That's the getaway ghost I drew last night.
so she drew a getaway ghost. Apparently it's a getaway guide. But yeah, there it is. And it has a couple of options. So we are going to go explore one of those hikes. This hike is like a nature walk. That's what they call it. And it's around this getaway campground. So it's not too far and it's not too long either. It's about a mile. This is, as you can see here, walking path. Into the Wild. By the way, recently we watched this movie called Into the Wild. It is a very weird movie. But if you haven't watched this movie, it's basically about a boy who just graduated out of college but is frustrated by his parents. So he decides to go on for a proper backpacking.
And his main destination is Alaska.
So he decides to live a rather very simple life. No money.
He burns all his money.
Good to see that people are actually following COVID guidelines, covering up their faces even though they don't have their masks.
Breaks like glass.
So we were having this discussion that if you were given a chance, would you ever consider living outside in the woods?
Not going back to the regular lifestyle of doing a job, earning money and all of that.
Right, so what's your answer?
I can't survive the wild. When you watch that movie, in the end I felt that movie kind of gave the message. It said happiness is real when shared. So this guy thought that happiness is living in the nature. So he decides to spend all his time in the Alaska wilderness
alone,
uninterrupted by any human involvement. So he stays there and then somehow ends up eating these deadly wildflowers or something that kills him. And then in the end he just carves out something on the wood which is of the same effect as happiness is real when shared. We're
out of our cabin and we wanted to explore the neighborhood. and we are here about to do the Willard Springs Trail.
Oh, sorry, I said William. It's Willard.
Willard Springs Trail, about 1.9 miles.
Yeah. So this was one of the recommended hikes by the Getaway people.
Alright, so we are here. I suppose we'll do this. Go over here, here, observing platform.
And will we see all
Back
these
here.
animals?
Well, we
Can hope
can we can hope so.
But I already like the view. I didn't come with a lot of expectations on this trail because it's a 2-mile hike, and so I was thinking we might not. It's just going to be like the nature walk in the woods, but it has already given me a good view.
.2 miles roughly into the hike and close to the viewing platform. Let's go check it out. Yes, Mount Adams it is. Where is it?
Not there.
There it is. Beautiful Mount Adams. So guys, we are here near Atkinson Snow Park and we are here to explore the ice cave loop, as you can see. And this path leads us to Gular Ice Caves, if I'm pronouncing that right. So this was supposed to be a road accessed by vehicles, but it's closed in the winters, as you can see, for obvious reasons. So for someone who is planning to visit the Gular Ice Caves, be mindful that you need to have a snow park permit. So we actually got here without realizing that we needed a permit, because once we saw the sign saying that you need a permit, we went back to Trout Lake. So one easiest way to get the permit is to go back to Trout Lake general store, where you can purchase a permit for a day, which costs you about $22.
We recently got snowboards, but we forgot to bring them on this hike. What a stupid mistake.
The Ice Caves picnic site. We are finally here at the Ice Caves. Sonia, bats in peril. I don't know, you might hear some. Ooh, looks daunting.
Right.
Wanna be careful when you go down. Made it to the bottom of the cave, but this is the view. Basically, it's just complete darkness. And apparently you can hear bats. And Sonia is returning back because the path is really slippery, as you can see.
Yay, almost there. Whew, good job.
Finally. That was cold.
Aren't your hands like frozen?
Yeah, it is. So we are approaching the end of our stay here in the cabins, and we are very sad because it was a pleasant stay here, pleasant 2 nights 3 days experience in the last quite some time.
After the corona period, it was as remote as it could be.
It could be, yeah.
2 days without phone.
Absolutely.
Loved it. Although I didn't think I would, but I loved it.
Yeah, there were so many things. It feels like it's a cabin, but if you go inside, it's, as you see in the pictures, it's amazing. It's got the perfect hotel kind of an experience inside. Yeah. Although it's a little bit smaller, but that's what you should expect when you go for a cabin.
Yeah, and then we did lots of things in the neighborhood.
If you're living close to Portland or Vancouver, Washington, I would highly recommend you that you check this out. Because this is one of those cool places that you want to visit. Even the winters, I honestly thought in winters it will be icy all around, but it's not. It is dry, that I'm going to say, but regardless it's still worth. So do check it out. Let us know if you want us to answer any of your questions. We did have a couple of questions ourselves when we were trying to book this cabin, especially like what kind of things are available, what should we bring from home, and things like that. Before we leave, if you're already a member of our family, stay with us, and we've got plenty of more content coming around for you
in 2021. But if you are not, do join our family. Hit the subscribe button right now. Click on the bell icon to get notifications from our channel, and we assure you, you won't be disappointed.
See you next time.